Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darrenoneil.eu. In this short video I'm going to show you how to enable RDP on Windows Server 2016. So just to give you a quick example of what I'm trying to do here. I have a Windows Server here in VirtualBox and I'm trying to connect to it via RDP. So when I go to connect to it, I'll click connect. I can't connect. This is because Windows Server 2016 disables RDP connections by default. So let me just cancel this here and we'll try to correct this for ourselves now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the start menu. I'm going to click on Server Manager, and this is really quick and easy to do. I'm going to click on Local Server. I'm then going to click on Remote Desktop where it says disabled. I'm going to change this to allow remote connections to this computer. I'm going to click apply and I'm going to click OK. Let me just minimize this and let me just drag back in our remote desktop connection from my host machine now, and if I click connect, hopefully this will work for us. Okay, and I'm being asked for my password. Perfect, and you can see we're in now. So that was a very quick and easy video on how to enable RDP on Windows Server 2016. Hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, please like and subscribe to the video. Thanks for watching.